Did you know that AI generated voices are becoming so realistic that some people can't even tell the difference between AI and a human speaker? In fact, some Hollywood studios are already using AI voices for dubbing and narration. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to use ElevenLabs AI to generate ultra realistic voiceovers for your projects. Whether you are a content creator, a podcaster, or just curious about AI generated voices, this tutorial is for you. First, let's talk about what ElevenLab AI is. It's an advanced AI-driven text-to-speech tool that creates hyper-realistic voices. You can use it for voiceovers, audiobooks, dubbing, and much more. Now, let's get started and let's set up your account and explore its features. To get started, first choose your favorite browser. Then type ElevenLabs AI in the search bar. Now select the first result that you get. Now, after this interface opens, you will find two options that says login and try for free. Click on try for free. To sign up, you can use two options. Either you can use your Google account or you can use your email and set a password. Here, I am choosing my Google account. Now, choose your preferred Google account. Here, to personalize your experience, first type in your name. Then, select your date of birth by entering the year, then selecting the month, and then entering the date. Then click on Next. Now, select which one describes you the best. Here, I am using it as a creator, so I am selecting that. Now select what would you like to do with ElevenLabs. Select as many as you want and click on Get Started. And your account is created. Now let's explore the dashboard. In the dashboard, you will find the text-to-speech, voice changer, sound effects, and buttons like that. Then there is the studio, dubbing, conversational AI, and audio tools like Audio Native, VoiceOver Studio, Voice Isolator, and AI Speech Classifier. You can use these buttons to personalize your account. Here's how you can use text-to-speech tool step by step. First, click on the text-to-speech from the menu. Type or paste your text into the editor. Choose the voice from the preset options. Now, adjust settings like stability, clarity for better result. Now click Generate and you have to wait for a few seconds. Although, it may be the process for only the premium members. One of the most exciting features is voice cloning. This lets you create an AI version of your own voice. Here's how you can use it. Go to the Voice Lab and click on Add Voice. Choose the Instant Voice Cloning. Upload a clean audio sample or a video sample with your voice. Let ElevenLab analyze it. Then, after a few minutes, your voice will be cloned. Go to the home page and click on the Profile button, placed on the left corner. Now, click on the subscription option. Here, you can explore the subscription plans for all your purposes. You can go with the free plan or the $5 per month plan, $11 per month plan, $99 per month plan, and even $330 and $1,320 per month plans. And you can also visit the features of these plans just to compare and know these better. Now that you know how to use ElevenLabs, let's look at some real-world applications. You can use it for YouTube voiceovers, podcast narration, audiobook recording, and AI-powered dubbing for videos. The possibilities are endless. So, go ahead and experiment with different voices And let me know in the comments what you'll be using ElevenLabs for. If you like our video and find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.